Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today, we have a triple cheeseburger. All right, to start this off, I've got about 2/3 of a pound of 80/20 ground beef in the bowl. And I'm going to add about 2 ounces of blue cheese, frozen blue cheese. Now, the cheese has to be frozen, because if it's not, it's just going to melt right out when you cook it. This is about the only way I have found to get cheese in a burger. Blue cheese has an extremely high melting point, and again, but it still needs to be frozen. If you do this with cheddar, I tried it. By the time the burger's done, the cheese is all melted out. If you want to do it with cheddar, you have to grind your own meat and go to about medium. So anyway, mix this around till everything is all mixed together. All right, next step. Okay, form into a 1/3 pound ball. That's 5.3 ounces. I do use a kitchen scale for this because I just like it. And then press the patty between 2 dinner plates, and you should have a perfectly formed patty. Looking for something a little bit like that. And then put these in the fridge until the griddle is ready to go. Okie dokie. As you can see here, the griddle is ready to go. And season with freshly ground black pepper and, of course, kosher salt. Don't worry about over-seasoning it because you're going to lose 30% when you go to flip these. Then just, 3 to 5 minutes aside. All right, the burgers are done cooking. Time to add the other 2 cheeses. What we have here is a little bit of baby Swiss cheese. Follow that up by sharp cheddar. And get yourself a little bit of water. Well, make sure you film the damn short. A little bit of water, steam covers on, about another 30 seconds or so. And then get them off the griddle and let the burgers rest for about a minute. Okie dokie, I forgot to hit record while I was assembling this burger from the start, but screw it. As you can see here, got a nice little toasted brioche bun. Got on the bottom mayonnaise, mustard, alfalfa sprouts. And as you can see, we have our patty there. Gotta have pickles. If a burger doesn't have pickles, you can pretty much consider it garbage. Some red onion slices. Okie dokie. And we're going to add a little bit of that Buffalo Bill barbecue sauce that we made in a previous episode for the Buffalo Bill burger. And then just put the top on, and that's pretty much it. The triple cheeseburger. Well, let's not call it just yet. And how about we cut this bastard open and do the pull apart. And look at that. So that's the triple cheeseburger. Done.